live alone. Completely alone. No roommates, no pets, nothing. That's why what happened didn't make any sense. A few weeks ago, I got a knock on my door late at night. It was around 11:30. I remember because I had just turned off my TV and was about to go to bed. When I opened the door, my downstairs neighbor was standing there. He looked annoyed, but also tired, like he hadn't been sleeping properly. He asked me if I could keep it down at night. I was confused immediately. I told him I wasn't making any noise. I had just been watching TV, not even that loud. He shook his head and said it wasn't the TV. He said it sounded like footsteps, heavy footsteps, walking back and forth across my apartment, late at night, almost every night. I remember just staring at him for a second, trying to process what he was saying, because I knew that wasn't possible. I go to bed early most nights. And even when I'm awake, I'm not walking around like that. I told him he must be hearing something else. Maybe pipes or another neighbor. But he insisted it was coming from directly above him, from my apartment. I apologized anyway, even though I didn't understand what was happening. He left, and I closed the door, but the whole thing stuck with me. That night, I stayed awake longer than usual, just sitting in my room, listening. At first, everything was normal, completely quiet, but around 2 a.m., I heard something, a soft sound, a step. I froze. It came from my hallway. Slow, deliberate. Another step. I didn't move. I just sat there in my bed, staring toward the door, trying to convince myself it was nothing. Maybe the building settling, maybe something falling. But then I heard it again, a third step, this time closer. I got up slowly and walked to my bedroom door. My hand hovered over the handle for a second before I opened it. The hallway was empty, completely empty. All the lights were off, exactly how I left them. I checked the entire apartment after that, every room, every corner, nothing, no sign that anyone had been there. The next day I told myself I imagined it, that I was just overthinking after what my neighbor said. But something still didn't feel right. So before going to bed that night, I did something simple. I placed a glass on my kitchen counter right near the edge. I knew I wouldn't touch it. If anything moved, it would fall. When I woke up the next morning, the first thing I did was check the kitchen. The glass was gone. I felt my chest tighten immediately. I looked down and saw it on the floor, broken, shattered into pieces. I didn't remember hearing anything during the night. No crash, no sound, just silence. That night I didn't sleep. I stayed awake with the lights off, just listening. Around the same time, I heard it again. The footsteps. Slow, back and forth, like someone pacing. This time, I grabbed my phone and started recording. My hands were shaking, but I forced myself to move toward the door. When I opened it, the hallway was empty again. But the sound didn't stop. It continued, right in front of me. That's when I realized something that made my stomach drop. The sound wasn't coming from the hallway. It was coming from above me, from the ceiling, like someone was walking, on top of my apartment. I slowly looked up. The ceiling was completely still. No cracks, no movement, nothing. But the sound was there, directly above me. Step, pause, step. I backed away slowly, my eyes still fixed on the ceiling. And then, it stopped. The next day I talked to my landlord. He told me there was no one living above me. That unit had been empty for months. I asked if I could see it. He hesitated for a second, then said yes. When we went upstairs, the door was unlocked. That already felt wrong. The apartment looked abandoned. No furniture, no lights, just dust. But as I stepped inside, I noticed something that made me stop immediately. The floor. There were marks. Long, faint marks across the wood, back and forth, like something or someone had been walking the exact same path, over and over again. I didn't stay after that. I moved out within a few days. But a week later, my old neighbor sent me a message. He said the noise stopped. Completely. No more footsteps at night. I felt relieved for a second, until I read the rest. He said now, it sounded like it was coming from his ceiling. Slow footsteps, walking back and forth. Late at night, exactly the same.